What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is MTG and I make videos about tech, how-tos, and I also make videos about YouTube for smart content creators like you and like myself. In today's video, I'm going to be talking more about the OnePlus 7T Pro, as we did get even more leaks, the release date and everything like that. So I'm going to be covering everything one by one. So let's dive right in. So starting off with the 7T Pro, it's basically everything that we have in the 7 Pro. But I'm just going to read them off again. So the main difference you'll see is the Snapdragon 855 Plus rather than the Snapdragon 855. The Adreno 640 GPU, 8 to 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. Now we might get a McLaren edition that might have even more RAM or more storage. That's unconfirmed as of now. Camera is the same. Screen resolution 90 Hz, 6.67 fluid AMOLED display. Everything that is the same. The in-display fingerprint sensor, that is the same. It's already super fast, but who knows, they might make it even faster. Alright, so I'm going to go into camera specifics. First, we're going to be getting that 48 megapixel with an f1.6 aperture, complete with OIS and EIS. Then we're going to be getting an 8 megapixel f2.4 with 3 times telephoto zoom, as well as a 16 megapixel f2.2 with an ultra-wide view of 120 degrees. So feature-wise, this has been leaked new. OnePlus is developing a new macro mode that's going to improve close-up shots drastically. And also we can expect nightscape mode and super slow motion video recording at 960 frames per second and 720p. And obviously for front-facing camera, we're going to get a 16 megapixel f2.0. Now, another new improvement for the 7T Pro is battery. So the 7 Pro had a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, but the 7T Pro is going to have a 4,085 milliamp hour battery. And OnePlus has been putting out some new fast charging technology for the 7T Pro, and it's called Warp Charge 30T, which should be around 20% faster than the 7 Pro. And also the 7T Pro rear glass will have a matte effect to it. Now diving into the 7T, the OnePlus 7 successor, 7T. We never got that in the States, but this time actually we might get it. So 7T is also going to be accompanied by the Snapdragon 855 Plus, 8 gigs of RAM, but 128 gigabytes of storage, so not as much as 256 gigs, but that's still a lot. We're also going to be getting a 6.55-inch fluid AMOLED display. It's going to offer 90 Hz refresh rate for that support for HDR10+. And apparently the resolution is going to be sitting at 2400 by 1080, and we're going to be getting that in-display fingerprint sensor as well. So the OnePlus 7T's rear is going to have that all-new circular camera setup, which it doesn't look too bad, but I mean, maybe if they brought the 7T Pro, it would actually, you can tell the difference if you had the 7 Pro and the 7T Pro. But anyway, the primary and ultra-wide angle cameras will be identical to the ones found in the 7T Pro, but that telephoto snapper will support 2 times zoom and offer a 12 megapixel resolution. And also that 16 megapixel selfie camera that's on the 7T Pro, yeah, it's going to be on the 7T as well. OnePlus 7T is going to have a 3,800 milliamp hour battery, and both of these are going to ship with Android 10. Now, for the OnePlus 7T and 7T Pro announced date when they're going to be released, we're looking at an event that's going to be held on Thursday, October 10th, and apparently pre-orders are going to begin right after the event with shipments on Tuesday the 15th. Now, I'm not really excited for a 7T Pro, mainly because it's just an incremental upgrade, just Snapdragon 855 Plus, a better battery technology, and that's pretty much it. Maybe they might get some new features that the 7 Pro doesn't, but I don't know that much. But I'm really happy with my 7 Pro. 7T is a huge jump from the 7, so if you do have a OnePlus 7, 7T is definitely a really good upgrade. But other than that, I'll keep you guys updated. October 10th, let's look forward to that event. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below your opinions, suggestions, because anything Any interactions with the video not only helps the video, but also helps the channel, and it helps the video get to more viewers like you. And best of all, super mad that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.